Chem is fun with Dr. Baker.
Hi young Einsteins, let's learn about percent composition with group 6. I'm V, let's learn with Dr. Carlin Child. Want to learn more about percent composition? Why did the percent composition get a terror fist? Because it had too many issues to break down. Just joking.
Percent composition. What is percent composition? Percent composition is the percentage by mass of each element in a compound. Ibig sabihin, hinahati-hati natin ang isang bagay. Tapos tinitignan kung ilang porsyento ang gawa sa bawat element. Formula ng percent composition. Percent composition is equals to mass of element divided by total mass of compound. Then multiply to 100.
To further understand percent composition, I will show you a simple example, which is H2O, also known as water, with an atomic mass of H is equal to 1.01 grams per mole, and O is equals to 16 grams per mole. To solve for the percent composition, we will start by solving the mass of each element, the mass of hydrogen and oxygen. Let's start first by solving the mass of hydrogen. We can solve this by multiplying the number of hydrogen to its atomic mass. So it will be 2 times 1.01 grams per mole. So 2 times 1.01 grams per mole will equal to 2.02 grams. Next, we will solve the mass of oxygen. So the mass of oxygen will be 1 times 16 grams per mole. 1 times 16 grams per mole is equals to 16 grams. Now, the next step is to solve for the molar mass of the formula. We can solve this by adding both of the masses of each element. So it will be 2.02 grams plus 16 grams. 2.20 grams plus 16 grams will be 18.02 grams per mole. Now, the final step is to solve for the percent composition. We can solve the percent composition by dividing the mass of the element by the molar mass and times 100%. So, let's start first with the mass of hydrogen. 2.02 grams plus 18.02 grams times 100% will be 11.21%. Now for the percent composition of oxygen. So it will be 16 grams over 18.02 grams times 100%. This equals to 88.79%. By adding both of the percent compositions, we will get 100%. We will have SO2, also known as sulfur dioxide. We will start by solving the mass of S and O. So we will start by multiplying the number of sulfur to its atomic mass. So it will be 1 times 32.07 grams per mole. 1 times 32.07 grams per mole will be 32.07 grams. Now for the mass of oxygen. We will multiply 2 times 16 grams per mole. 2 times 16 grams per mole will be equal to 32 grams. Now for the next step is to solve for the molar mass. We can solve this by adding both of the masses of the elements. So it will be 32.07 grams plus 32 grams. 32.07 grams plus 32 grams will be 64.07 grams per mole. Now for the final step, so the first thing to do is to solve for the sulfur. So it will be 32.07 grams per mole over 64.07 grams per mole times 100%. This will equal to 50.03%. Now, for the final element, the percentage of hope. 32 grams over 64.07 grams per mole times 100%. 32 grams over 64.07 grams per mole times 100% will be 49.97%. And if you add both of these percentage, it will equal to 100%.